This MobLab Support video illustrates Blackboard integration and grading. First, navigate to your course homepage, choosing Content from the side pane. Choose to build content by using a web link. Name the web link MobLab and enter the following URL. Select the checkbox, "This is a link to a tool provider." You do not need to enable evaluation, as that will be done through the MobLab tool. Do allow the tool to open in a new window. Choose Yes to permit users to view this content, and No to track number of views. Be sure to click to submit to save your changes. After you press Submit, you will see the tool added under Content. Click the web link to configure your MobLab class. Sign in to an existing MobLab account or create a new account and press Submit to link the class. In your link class, navigate to Roster. Use invitations to import your student roster from Blackboard. MobLab invitations are sent to students' registered Blackboard email. The invitation takes students to the MobLab sign-up page where their university email is already preloaded. Students will be brought to the MobLab Student Console and will be prompted for payment or book code to access the class. Note, if your university has an institutional license, students will be enrolled in your class without payment. Once students are enrolled and the class has completed several MobLab activities, enter the gradebook. When you enter the gradebook for the first time, choose Auto Create Column for each playlist. By default, a participation score for each column is added to your MobLab gradebook. To edit a column, click on the column pencil icon. You may change the column name, the activities included within the column, grade type, and session grouping. There are 3 different grade types. By default, participation is a score between 0 and 100%. For example, if a student has completed 3 out of 5 activities, the student would have a 60% participation score. In some cases, to incentivize gameplay or offer extra credit, it is helpful to normalize student game scores. Border points will rank students from the highest to lowest based on their scores within a game. Students that are tied earn the highest rate. For example, if students in a game earn 22, 26, 22, and 20 points, these students will get 3, 4, 3, and 1 border points. Payoff is a great measure for accuracy in surveys and quizzes. By default, survey questions are worth 10 points. This can be edited per question in the instructor console. Payoff points per game differs. Review how we calculate payoff in the student instructions of each game. There are 2 different types of session grouping. Standard counts all games within the parameters of a created column. Unique activity names will count games and surveys with the same name as only one session. This is ideal for classes with multiple sections running the same activities. Send columns to Blackboard by choosing Export, Sync with LMS. You will receive a notification when your grades have been successfully sent to Blackboard. Student grades have successfully been sent to the full grade center. If you have any additional questions about integration or grading, please contact us at Support.